As we are preparing this C-130 in for delivery to the customer, it needs to be weighed for flight safety purposes. The weight of an aircraft can affect stability, structural integrity, performance, and fuel efficiency. The requirement for an aircraft to be weighed can be driven by the maintenance duration, repaint process, or the aircraft having undergone major modifications. Just the repaint on a Hercules C-130 alone can weigh up to 1/3 of a tonne. The aircraft is inventoried prior to the weigh and prepared to a known fuel configuration. A total of 6 scales are used to weigh a C-130, 1 pad on each wheel. The aircraft is weighed a minimum of 2 times to ensure it is calibrated correctly, and the readings are accurate. The total aircraft weight should be within a 0.5% tolerance. A plumb bob is installed in the fuselage and used to level the aircraft to calculate the center of gravity. This is checked throughout the process to ensure the weight is correctly distributed. The center of gravity tolerance is within 0.5 inches.